maybe a little bit informed about the opinion I hold. Anyway, O'Neill, good morning.
Good morning, George.
How you do?
I see you're fresh and full of energy. They need to reward you some more.
So we can get some more pay.
No, I think you need to get another medal.
No, sir, pay more, man. Middle can go price mat. Or bigger mat,
Okay.
sir.
Anyway, I'm calling about voice notes.
Yes, sir.
I know you love that voice note.
Oh, I do?
Yeah. I'm not starting to see one from the making prominence from the green side.
Which one?
How the MunchieB, how they styled the 80-year-old woman and said that when she was younger, she should have made her. Hopefully, I'm not violating no standard. Her front and her body to make sure that she's well prepared for.
Oh, Lord. Oh,
old age.
Lord. Oh, Lord.
And that she should not call on Andrew Michael Holness for help and pressure her. I hope you guys take the same level of probity to call on the party to see if this is a way how they view older Jamaicans or Jamaicans as a whole who have fallen on hard times.
Yeah.
And I hope you guys find the voice note, I tag you all in it,
Yeah.
and find out if this is the mind of the Jamaica Labour Party. Because our government, not even their support.
But hold on. But stick a pin. Stick a pin. You say the voice note came from, I recognize a name you called as a very popular blogger, right?
Yes,
Right.
a blogger.
So hold on. Now. Why would you think that the opinion of a blogger is the opinion of the party sufficient?
Why would you think?
Yeah.
Why would you think
Uh-huh.
the opinion of a so-called executive of the PNP would be the policy of
All
the
right.
people?
Hold on. Well, I knew you'd have gone there, sir. So hold on. I could line them up now. The two voice notes are from a group of executives
No,
of wait. No, you're not telling me, sir. It's my story. I know where I got the information from. So hold on. In one case, the two voice notes are from an executive group. Of the two voice notes, I'm hearing you. Of the two voice notes, one is from an elected member of a municipal corporation. The other is from a female member of that executive group. Therefore, you are welcome to ask how those opinions in that executive group marries, if at all, with the position of the party. I think that's fair and reasonable. That's one. On the other hand, you are now come to tell me that a prominent blogger says something and you want to know if the opinion of a blogger on her independent blog, if it is representative of the position of the official position of the party. That makes sense to you, sir? Tell me.
The People's National Party got arrested in the United States for a so-called incident. What was your guy's headline? A PNP blogger.
Yeah, but I'm trying to help you to see.
No, you're not helping me. You are justifying.
No, may I try help you if it's true, because
outrage when it comes to the People's National Party.
No, man, I'm trying to help you for what you're saying to make sense. Is what I'm trying to do. So work with me. So I'm saying to you, we're reasoning, we're not quarreling. So I'm saying you have an executive group of executive members. One of the voice notes is from an elected official. The other is from an executive member of the party. So you ask the questions, and it is reasonable to make the association between those opinions and the party's position. Okay? On the other hand, you say a blogger on an independent blog.
Blogger.
Wait. You say paid blogger. Have you ever seen an invoice or a receipt of payment, sir?
Let's move on, George. Because
Okay.
I've
We move
heard,
on.
I've
All
heard,
right.
I've
No
heard you
problem.
said
No
that these
problem.
people are planted.
You say paid blogger, but you run when I ask you how you
No,
know
I'm
that
not
they're paid.
running.
But what
I'm
you
not
doing?
running, but I'm not going to let you. I'm not going to let you water down
No,
the
man, me not
conflict
water.
right
No,
now.
no, no. We're not watering it down. You know, I'm trying to justify
No,
the.
and
I'm
that's
trying.
what that
I'm
and
trying. O'Neill,
that is where
O'Neill,
you err.
O'Neill,
You
O'Neill,
are not
O'Neill,
looking. You are
O'Neill,
not looking at
O'Neill,
both instances
O'Neill. I'm
as
trying. O'Neill. This platform, this nationwide 90 FM, you see, sensible people are here. So even when they're disagreeing with me, I enjoy it because I know that I'm talking to somebody sensible. I am doing a disservice to them by entertaining conversations that make no sense. They are upset with me. So
No,
that's what
I'm
I,
not
so
upset.
O'Neill,
You
I'm
know what?
no,
Let me
not
tell
you because you're
since
not
I
one of
don't make
them. You're
sense
not one
to
of them,
you,
you know, which is
I
why I'm trying to get you, O'Neill, to make the argument make sense so it can be worthy of my listeners for them to be hearing you talk this morning. That's what I'm saying to you.
no, no.
Well, all right. O'Neill.
Okay.
Unfortunately,
Let
I
me hear
can't
you.
help you,
No,
brother.
no,
I can't help
no.
you. Have a good day. I can't help you.
Have a good
Yeah,
day.
man, I can't help you. I can't help you. Good boy. And it's the same thing, you know. Your people are always hearing, don't listen to the radio. And they still do it. 30, 40 years later. Same thing, eh? Who do we have now, Kevin? Same Hyacinth morning.
Morning, George.
How you do?
I'm not bad, you?
I'm very good.
Okay. That first caller,
Mm-hmm.
I saw the video with the lady speaking about the 85-year-old. It was very disgusting.
Yeah.
She was saying when the titty it up in on the chest.
Oh, take time with that. Take time with that. Something that, this is not that kind of program where you can use that kind of description. So coach it differently so that we understand what you're saying. Okay?
Yes, that's what she was saying
Yes.
and whatever. But you are explaining to this gentleman, he's putting the two things together.
Yeah.
You are saying to him, no, it's not the same thing. Those people are in government. They should have not say that. He wants you to pick up everything and the Jamaica Labour Party and talk about it on the radio, just like it's not the same thing.
And in his head, it is, and me can't tell him otherwise.
Yeah, and you're trying to explain to him that it's not the same thing, and he's just ignorant.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
cannot, them can behave better.
Boy.
Election gone long time.
Yeah.
PNP must get over what they are doing. It is already gone.
Mm-hmm.
The Labour Party is in power and doing their job.
Yeah.
They have to stop, George.
Yes.
They have to stop, and they're going like on the curry favor. Every day them get up, you know. And sometimes when I leave, I just shake my head. They just behaving like, you know, curry favor, and they never expose no leak vice note about Labour Party. Uno did. I heard them.
You know, Hyacinth, can I confess something to you? I don't pay attention to the dons because I fear becoming one of them.
Exactly,
Yeah.
George.
So yeah.
I hear you play vice note about Rosie leaking those vice notes that leak.
You remember that? Central
I
Kingston?
remember a lot of them. I hear you play about Juliet Cuthbert with some bad word that you were cursing. Those vice notes. Every time, Uno is not Corey favor. Uno do both labor right and PNP, and I can't understand why the PNP cannot see that Uno do both.
Boy, I don't know
I
either.
can't understand them.
I don't know either. I don't know. And the social media, something here, it just gives them the tool to just every day sit down and people name like Frozy Hassak, and they just talk and they talk and they talk and they talk.
George,
boy.
if I tell you something, one day my son, I don't know if you can give me the time. One day my son called me and he said to me, my son is 35, I'd never vote. And in Parliament one day and he said, Mommy, no make nobody tell you nothing now one in your country, the things are one. I said to him, say, what you mean? He said, you're not trouble. I said to him, say, it's okay, I may hang up this phone. When election day, I said, Mommy, you know, I'm going to vote. I'm going to wait for you till you come home. I'm going to vote. Me say, why am vote? He said things going on in the country, so I'm going to vote. I don't remember what I said to him the other day, George.
Yeah.
And he said to me, say, Mommy, me not vote, no, can I? You know, you say you can't plant, no, I'm going to deliver it from your backyard. Me say, who tell you that? Hear me, son. Mommy, Cliff Hughes, me hear it. Me say, no, you never hear Cliff Hughes say that. Cliff Hughes said we are grappling with misinformation.
Yeah.
That you cannot carry around your things from your backyard.
Yeah.
That me explain that to him. Me say, when you're not listening radio, you must listen good.
Listen with understanding.
Yes. Listen.
Yeah.
The man said we are grappling.
Yeah.
Clyde Green is grappling with it. He did not say we can't, the government say we cannot do it.
Yeah. Yeah. Mom?
And if they're not listening,
Yeah.
and I don't know. I don't know, George. Something is wrong with them.
I pray that you have the strength to continue evangelizing about those who spread misinformation and lies, and that they don't infect you with their negative energy. You have to run. I have an interview up at the top of the
Okay,
hour.
they cannot infect me, George.
All right.